Your new hire just left everything familiar: their team, their tools, their comfort zone. Now they're staring at your welcome email, wondering quietly, did I make the right choice? That first week decides everything, whether they'll feel they belong or start looking elsewhere. Hi, I'm Elias, and at ProProfs Performance Academy, we've helped over 2,000 companies and 4 million employees build onboarding experiences that actually work, ones that replace confusion with confidence. And in this video, I'll show you how to design an onboarding process that feels personal, organized, and unmistakably yours. And if you stick around until the end, I've got something special that'll help you launch your own onboarding system even faster. So let's start by laying the foundation, your onboarding framework. The first step is to establish your employee onboarding framework. Begin by introducing a dedicated workspace that captures every stage of the employee journey from pre-onboarding to confirmation. This framework should come pre-equipped with key onboarding components, such as checklists, forms, and approval workflows, all ready for immediate use. Imagine you're welcoming someone like Olivia, a new marketing analyst. From her first day, she should already have structured access to every task and document required to settle in comfortably. This ensures consistency across departments and saves you from reusing outdated materials that no longer match your standards. Once your workspace is in place, you'll have the foundation to refine and personalize your onboarding flow. Next, shape your onboarding checklist so it truly represents your organization's rhythm. Every company operates differently, and your checklist should mirror that reality. Start by reviewing the stages included in your pre-onboarding and onboarding lists. Adjust the sequence, add fields that reflect your organization's nuances, and refine language to match your tone of communication. For global teams, this might include updating address formats or introducing optional fields for regional compliance. Each field, section, or task can be reorganized or duplicated to streamline the process, much like arranging a playlist that sets the perfect tone. You might also link your pre-onboarding and onboarding stages, ensuring no one repeats the same details twice. Efficiency is not about speed alone, it's about removing unnecessary friction. Alright, make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our engaging content that aims to enhance your organizational efficiency. Now that your checklist is aligned, let's talk about how to give it direction. Think of your onboarding journey as a series of carefully designed stages, each one signaling a key milestone in your employee's transition. Every stage, or state, represents a handoff in responsibility. So for example, towards the end of the process, you might include an employee confirmation stage where the new hire reviews their completed tasks and acknowledges progress. This promotes transparency and gives them a sense of shared ownership. You can outline as many stages as needed, assigning specific responsibilities to managers, HR partners, or department leads. Visibility settings can also be adjusted to ensure each participant only accesses what's relevant to their role. Color-coded progress indicators can help everyone understand the current phase at just a glance, whether it's pending review or in progress. Every successful onboarding experience depends on clear role distribution. Decide who participates at each stage, right? HR professionals, line managers, IT support, or mentors, and define their responsibilities up front. Automated participant assignments can help ensure that each new onboarding instance already includes the right contributors. For example, every time Olivia joins the company, her checklist automatically connects her with her manager, HR contact, and IT partner. This structure not only saves time, but maintains consistency, ensuring no critical step is overlooked. You can also fine-tune access levels so that each participant views and edits only what's relevant. It keeps the process organized and prevents sensitive information from being viewed by unintended eyes. With your participants defined, it's time to establish boundaries. Access control is where your onboarding process gains structure and security. Begin with limited permissions by default, and then open access selectively. So for instance, new joiners might be granted submission rights to their own forms while being restricted from modifying system-wide templates. Meanwhile, HR or administrative teams retain the ability to adjust workflows as needed. This layered access model safeguards your progress while maintaining efficiency. Once onboarding is complete, you can revoke temporary permissions and formally close the employee's initiation phase. Once the framework, participants, and permissions are ready, it's time to bring the process to life. So at this stage, you'll initiate an onboarding cycle for each new hire, assigning them to their respective managers and support contacts. Every checklist entry represents a real-time, trackable milestone, a living record of their progress. From the HR side, this marks the official start of the onboarding journey, but the real growth happens after the process concludes. Let's see how. Onboarding doesn't end when the last task is checked off. The most effective organizations treat feedback as the start of the next improvement cycle. Introduce a brief new hire survey that captures firsthand experiences, what worked smoothly, what felt confusing, and what could improve. If a new employee mentions delays in receiving credentials or resources, you can update your workflow to prevent the same issues for future hires. Continuous feedback transforms your onboarding process from a one-time setup into a living system that adapts to each generation of employees. It's how you move from good onboarding to great culture. Sound good? All right, now let me reveal the surprise that I promised you initially. Everything you just saw was created on PeopleGoal, a fully customizable performance management platform that helps modern HR teams triple their productivity minus the spreadsheet circus. And this product comes with several bonuses, such as bonus 1, you get full access to our app engine, so you can design workflows like onboarding, OKRs, and 360-degree reviews all in a matter of minutes. Bonus 2, you unlock ready-to-use templates tested across thousands of employees, so you never have to start from scratch again. Bonus 3, you get instant integration with your HR and payroll tools. And if we don't support it yet, we'll build it for you for free. Bonus 4, you get a personal one-on-one coaching session with one of our pros who will walk you through setup and make sure that you hit the ground running. And of course, you get your first 60 days completely risk-free. Test it, tweak it, launch a full cycle, and if it's not good enough for you, cancel anytime. No questions asked. Because this isn't about just selling a tool. In fact, it's about offering tried and tested onboarding solutions that have already worked for thousands of thriving brands. Now let me know in the comments down below, what is one thing you wish your first day at your last job had included? And hey, if this helped you, like it, share it, and hit that subscribe button so that we can keep helping you become the best onboarding rock star you're meant to be. See you in the next one.